That's fucking
Hey
hilarious.
guys! How we doing? Don't do that! I scared her. I scared her. Hey! So yeah, it has been a while. So anyways, we're gonna vlog it today for this video because we kind of ran out of video ideas for a little bit. We're in this stuff. Well, we're not out of video ideas. We just don't want to rush it, so we're taking it slow.
Plus, we have to go shopping today, so we figured we'd bring you anyway.
Yeah, so we might as well do a little vlog trip today. Right now, we're trying to find some like glam bags, I guess, to do subscriptions. Did you know? I don't know if this is appropriate to tell you, but I'm gonna say it anyways. There is a $4.20 subscription box.
Yeah.
Who comes up with this?
There's like 3 of them. There's 3 marijuana subscription boxes, which I think is actually pretty hilarious.
It is.
Like if you gave that to like if you have a stoner friend, for you.
This was for you.
We will be going to Yorkdale?
Yes, we're gonna go to Yorkdale today, but
nails first.
Yeah, we're gonna get our nails done first. Get some shellac.
Shellac. I want to do manicure, but I'm like, I'm probably gonna do green shellac too.
Yeah, we'll
it's
get
okay.
some shellac. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that looks attractive. So attractive. Oh god. Okay.
Oh my god.
So yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, there we go. There we go.
Lighting,
Yo, that was dark there.
That lighting,
Shit,
though.
man.
Got tan real quick.
Yeah, I got tan real quick. So we just got our nails done. They're all done and pretty. I did a really nude color, like a whitish nude, because I didn't want any color on my nails. And she did like a pinky nude before that. I'm gonna get some muscles out of this. Yeah, look at that flexing skills, girl. Look at that shit. Look at that. Oh god. Oh god. There's no shame in my vlogging game right now, just because I have people watching. Someone's doing an interview like really kind of across from me right now, so I don't want to be too loud. But yeah, I'll vlog a little bit more when Francis comes. Hopefully, will be soon. Oh, what's the price? The price. I know. Good call, that.
You're supposed to be looking for dresses.
I know, but I got something sidetracked.
Don't wanna feel like I am bulletproof inside. 'Cause I fight for you, give my life for you, when I got you by my side. There's no barricade we can't tear away when it comes to you and I. 'Cause even if we break, even if we fall, baby, I know we can have it all. And if they knock us down like a wrecking ball, we'll get up and walk right through these walls. Yeah, 'cause we are invincible, invincible. We are invincible, invincible.
I think she just grabbed the first one. Might have been her size. Did make sure filming.
You?
Filming?
Yeah.
So, but like, how hard do you fall?
You make me feel I'm not afraid of rain.